Hello my dear friends, I am Sujoy and wish you and your family a very happy New Year 2014. I wish you and your family stay happy and healthy in 2014. For that I am uploading a collection of 10 simple and effective home remedies that will boost your immunity and prevent you from getting cough and cold. So keep watching. First tip. Take a spoon of honey and squeeze a small lemon onto it. And then drink it early in the morning. That will clear cough from your throat, soothe your throat and boost your immunity. Next tip. Chewing some tulsi or holy basil leaves and black pepper early in the morning every day protects you from catching cold in winter season. Next tip. Crush 4-5 holy basil or tulsi leaves and take it with a spoon of honey. That's an excellent immunity booster, cough reliever and clears your stomach. Next tip, make a regular tea and when it's halfway boiled, add 1 or 2 tej patta or cassia leaf in that. Make it to boil full and then drink it in warm condition. That's an excellent immunity booster and will relieve you from cough and cold. Next tip, heat some milk and then add a little quantity of turmeric or haldi powder and then stir it. Drink it in warm condition. That will relieve you from cough and soothe your throat and boost your immunity. Next tip. If you have caught cold, then take small mustard oil in a pan, add few flakes of fresh garlic and then put it on oven and make it hot. And after that take it from oven and let it settle down, and when it's in warm condition, apply it on the bottom of your feet and on your palms. That will immediately relieve you from cough and cold. It's very useful for small children. For more effect, you can cut the garlics half. Next tip, take some water and add few cassia leaves or tej patta, kali mirch or black pepper and some freshly cut ginger in sliced format or adi, and then bring it to boil. Add some palm candy or tal misri if you have, or if you don't have, just add sugar for taste and take it out from oven when the quantity of water decreases to half and a brilliant smell comes from it. Take it 2 or 3 times or more if required, and that will definitely benefit you from cough and cold. Next tip, chew 1 or 2 flakes of garlic early in the morning every day. That will boost your immunity. If you have problem with the smell, just brush your teeth after a few minutes of chewing. Next tip, for dry cough like this, just take a pinch of salt and keep it below your tongue for 5 minutes and don't open your mouth or lick it. You will immediately stop coughing. It's very effective for small children. Next tip, it's using pudina or mint. I can't show you right now because I don't have pudina right now. So take 4 or 5 leaves of pudina or mint in a cup of water, bring it to boil, take it off from oven when the quantity of water is decreased to half, let it cool down to warm and take it with a spoon of honey. That's it. So friends, this was my tips. How was the video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you know some tip yourself, also comment below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to YouTube channel. If I get your love and support, I will upload some more cool tip video for you. And don't forget to share the video because sharing is caring. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.